Welcome, in front of me is a BLACKVIEW Tab 8, and today I'll show you how to put this device into safe mode. Now to get started, you want to hold the power key, and when you see the boot options, as I have them right over here, you want to hold power off. Now this will bring up the menu to reboot to safe mode. Do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications you have installed. That will be restored when you reboot again. So let's confirm it by tapping on OK. And while the device is rebooting, I'm going to quickly describe what this mode does. So in the safe mode, basically any app that you have installed will be turned off from or disabled from even starting. And if, as an example, your device is struggling with battery life, which would be unusual for you, so for instance, instead of having the device last the entire day, it only lasts for like 5 hours, then you might want to try booting into the safe mode and see if that problem still persists. If it does, then that means that you probably have some kind of malicious app that is just basically hogging your battery and completely running your device dry. And from there, it basically goes to for you to find the app, and that's about it. But if, as an example, the device keeps dying even in safe mode, that means that just the battery is at fault here. As you can see, once we are in the safe mode and the device is booted back up, once it flips, there we go, you can see a safe mode watermark in the bottom left corner of the screen. And as you can also see, widgets are disabled and basically everything else is as well. So that is how you boot into it. And when you're done with this mode, all you need to do to leave it is hold the power key and now simply tap on restart. And again, let's confirm that. And now, once the device reboots back into Android, it will then go back into the normal mode. And as you can see, we are now back in the normal mode. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.